Hi, welcome again to Navision video tutorials. In this tutorial, we will introduce Navision filter function. Navision provides a wealth of tools for analyzing the data, and one of them is filter function. Filter function in Navision allows you to retrieve information based on criteria set. Navision provides two types of filters: temporary filter and permanent filter. Same as find function, filters can be applied on a list screen as well as on card screen. Filters applied on list screens are temporary filters. Temporary filters are reset upon leaving list screens. That means filters are not remembered upon closing the screens. It is recommended that users apply temporary filters instead of permanent filters. On the other hand, the filters applied on card screens are permanent filter. These filters are remembered even upon leaving Navision application. User must exercise care when applying this type of filter. When a permanent filter is applied, user must manually remove using Show All button. We will demonstrate the permanent and temporary filters later in this video. In this demonstration, we will use a list screen to demonstrate filters. To open list screen, press F5 or list button on the toolbar. Filter function can be activated using filter buttons from toolbar or by using function keys. There are three separate ways user can apply filters. 1. Fill filter. 2. Table filter. 3. Flow filter. In this demonstration, we will concentrate on fill filter and table filter methods. For the beginners, we strongly recommend using fill filter method. Fill filter is applied individually on a field or column. For example, if I want to see sales orders of particular customer, say Sueco, I can click on the customer search name and press fill filter button or F7 function key. This will bring up a fill filter box. Type the customer name and press OK. Please note, the filter screen is case sensitive. Navision filters the information to display all orders of Sueco. To remove filter, press Show All button or press function key Ctrl plus Shift plus F7. To demonstrate fill filter option further, we will use following example. We want to find total orders booked by customer Sueco during last quarter 2006 and where the order value is more than $50,000. There are three separate criteria involved in this example. Number 1, customer is equal to Sueco. Number 2, order date is between 1st October 2006 to 31st December 2006. And number 3, order value is more than $50,000. We must specify these criteria individually using fill filter. For setting up a customer criteria, click on the search name followed by fill filter button or pressing F7 function key. Activate the fill filter box. Type the value for filter. Again, please note that value type is case sensitive. For your information, search name is always stored in uppercase. Press OK to confirm. Now we can see all orders of Sueco. Next criteria. We want to see orders for last quarter 2006. Since the criteria involves order date, we will click on the order date field and press fill filter button. Alternatively, you can press F7 as well. Order criteria requires a range. In this box, we want to type a range of date, that is 1st October 2006 to 31st December 2006. Range can be specified with two dots between first and last date. That means type the first date 01/10/06 followed by two dots to specify a range and the last date, which is 31st/12/06. Note that Navision dates must be typed in DD, MM, YY format, and there is no need to mention a dash or a slash. Once the range is specified, press OK. Now your screen should show orders from customer Sueco where the date is between 1st October to 31st December 2006. Our third and final criteria is to show orders where value is more than $50,000. We have value column opened on this list screen. Click on the column and activate fill filter screen. To specify more than 50,000, we will use comparison operator. Type greater than 50,000 and press OK. That's it. we have our report for orders booked by Sueco during last quarter 2006, where the order value is more than $50,000. User can copy and save this report as Excel. To do so, select information by clicking on left top of the screen and press copy. Open Microsoft Excel program and press paste. To remove all the filters, press show all button or press function key Ctrl plus Shift plus F7. Remember, filters can be applied on any column and on any screen. While using fill filter is easy and fast, it is recommended to use table filter for multiple and complex filters. Main difference between fill filter and table filter is fill filter allows specifying one filter at a time. That means user must click on each of the field individually and specify the filter value. Whereas in table filter, user can specify multiple filter criteria at a time. For example, if we had to use table filter for the same criteria we use for demonstrating fill filter, it would go like this. First, there is no need to click on particular column. User can click on table filter button on toolbar or press function key Ctrl plus F7 from any column. Table filter screen is a tabular screen. It's two columns, filled and filled. Filled is where user should select the field to set the criteria and type the value of criteria under filter column. In earlier example, we had set the following criteria: search name equal to Sueco, order date equal to 011006 to 311206, amount greater than 50,000. In table filter, we will do the same. First, select the appropriate field. In this example, search name. I can type if I remember the field name or use lookup screen to browse through the fields and select the one I want. After the field is selected, type value under filter column. In this example, Sueco. Please remember the filter is case sensitive. Now on the second row, that is order date. Since I know the field name, I prefer to type instead of searching through the list. And the criteria is 011006 ... 311206. And finally, I will specify the third filter for fill amount, aka value, and type the criteria, which is greater than $50,000. Note that instead of clicking on each column and applying filter individually, as in fill filter, I have specified the complete criteria on one screen. This is table filter. Now we will press OK to view the result. Table filter is also useful in reviewing already applied criteria. That means if you have applied number of fill filter and you wish to know what is exactly being applied, open table filter screen and it will show you the criteria applied. Flow filters can be applied on columns showing aggregates. For example, customer balance column or bank account balance columns. Please see the video using flow filter for more information. Generally, the marketing and shipping staff mostly use field and table filters on screen such as orders, invoices, etc. As mentioned earlier, there are two types of filters: temporary filters and permanent filters. Temporary filters are not remembered upon exiting the list screen, whereas permanent filters are remembered even after closing application. All the filters applied on list screens are temporary filters. For example, we have applied 3 separate filters on sales order screen. Upon exiting list screen, these filters will be lost. Similar filters can be applied on card screen. However, applying the filters on the card screen makes them permanent. That means closing the screen or closing the application will not release the filter. System remembers the filter and it has to be manually removed. To remove a permanent filter, open the card screen and press show all button. I repeat, we must release the filter from within card and not on list. To learn more about using filters, consult Navision Help Desk.